Hi guys, again with me, Tania Oktaviani. Now I'm here to review material 1 to 14. I'm sorry if I have mistake in pronunciation or have mistake in processing the text. Let's watch my video. Unit 1, UF Energos. Unit 1 about describing about company. UF Energosa was established in Lithuania 2005. We are able to offer the following service. Number 1, production of steel structure. Number 2, manufacture of machine steel component. Number 3, installation of steel structure. Number 4, engineering service. Number 5, transportation. UF Energosa aim is to maintain a sustainable and developed business where each inquiry is investigated technical in order to force the way of saving customer costs while having the highest quality product and our service. Our company specializes in various industries, marine and offshore, civil and industrial construction, oil and gas, power generation, and supply agriculture and forest. Value and basic for the company's success with help used to fulfill the customer needs are service of highest quality. Number 1, qualified and certified personnel. Number 2, reliable partnership in project implementation that lead to long-term cooperation. Number 3, production facility and high standard technological equipment. And the last, wide and reliable supplier net. Number 2, describing the part of the company and job. The organizational structure of the company is a hierarchical line chart that describes the components that make up the company, where each individual human resource who is in the scope of the company has their own position and function. Broadly speaking, there are 5 types of component organizational structure. Number 1, functional organizational structure. Number 2, business organizational structure. Number 3, project organizational structure. Number 4, matrix organizational structure. And the last, work team organizational structure. In every organizational structure that is formed, of course, there are personnel in charge of their respective duties and function now as company position. The following is presented in general the organizational structure formed in a company. Number 1, director. Number 2, president director. Number 3, director of finance. Number 4, personnel direct. Number 5, manager. Number 6, warehouse, and last, marketing manager. Unit 3 about comparison degree. Positive degree. Subject plus to be plus as plus adjective plus as. Example, the company is as built for as long time ago. Number 2, the company is as big as the other company in the city. Comparative degree. Subject plus to be plus adjective plus are plus then. Example, the pattern for one syllable. Number 1, the manager in a company delivers his job with another person than the day before. Number 2, the Patasosro explorer much thing than the other company. The pattern from more than 2 syllables. Number 1, content in this company PT Honda is more better than PT Yamaha. Number 2, he visits in company more frequently than she does. Superlative degree. Subject plus to be plus the plus adjective plus es. Example, the pattern for one syllable. Number 1, my company is the largest one in our neighborhood. Number 2, number 2, did I feel happiness because accept in the company? The partner for more than 2 syllables. Subject plus to be plus most plus adjective. Subject plus verb plus the most plus adverb. Example, work in company was the most boring but we can have much money. The woman is the most gracefully woman in the Pitodeli company. Unit 4 about procedure. How to get into a company. Number 1, get specific. Number 2, job specific resume. Number 3, get reference. Number 4, have skill. And last, select the same file. Unit 5, asking and giving opinion. Example about dialogue. Tasha, hi Clarissa, how are you today? I'm good, and how about you? I'm good too, thanks for asking. What do you think about after finish school, Tasha? I want a job in the company. That's a good idea. Do you think if you not continue your study, can easily work in company? Yes, I know that finding work in company with only high school graduate is not easy. I think if you better work while studying, because if you only work one day, only high school graduate will be eliminated. At least with college you have good grade in a company when you apply. Thanks for the opinion, it means a lot to me. You're welcome, Tasha. Unit Unit 6, expressing agreement or disagreement. Dialogue. So, what is your desired salary for this job? I expect it in line with my experience and skill. Why don't you go ahead and tell me how much it is? I expect it's 10.000.000. How about if we offer you this job about 7.000.000 only? I'm afraid I will refuse considering I have years of experience in the field. You really know your value and I expect for you that. Unit 7 about conditional sentence. Zero conditional. Example, if you don't have job, then you don't have money. First conditional. Example, number 1, if the weather is nice, we will go to the company for interview together. Number 2, if you don't apologize, your manager will never trust you again. Second conditional. Example, if I knew his number secretary in this company, I would phone her. Third conditional. Example, if I had had a job, I would have bought a big house. Unit 8 about review in Unit 7. Unit 9 about company. Example dialogue. Good morning, Pia. Good morning, Talia. Talia, do you already have a job? Not yet, Talia. So what? You want to apply at the company where I work? What part do you work? In the admin section of the via office. You'd better try to apply to the company who know you are lucky. Okay, Talia, I will try. Thanks for giving me the information. You're welcome. Unit 10 about company history. Teaching Associates started life from a garden garage back in 1992, housing a small screen printing press run with family-based production line. Demand increased with requests for embroidered logos, particularly for fleece jackets, which led to the introduction of the first embroidery machine. Early customers liked what they paid for and their personal referral led to many inquiries. Through Blossom business-to-business relationship, Teaching Associate was born to become a personalized clothing supplier. As the business grew, the company was able to offer not only personalized clothing but all-around solutions, offering practical package for workwear and promotional product combined. Our history is frontal to use and provided use with a will of knowledge, but for our client, it is what we do today that matters most. We remain this dedicated to providing only the best in all things screen printing, embroidery, and promotional merchandise, investing in the latest industry machinery, and offering an extensive catalog of products to suit a wide range of industry. Our clients are based within the field of engineering, retail, construction, educational support, and much more. We are committed to providing number one, reliable, delivering, and not broken promise. Number two, using leading brand with release decades worth of the loom regatta quality product that offer lasting value. Number three, listening to customer need to find the correct solution and offer free and friendly advice. Number four, commit to investing in high trained staff in both production or administration and development apprehensive schemes. And the last, pertaining commit to operating machinery in line with technological developments such as digital printing for complex design and full automatic screen print machines to meet high volume demand. Based near Milton Keynes, Teaching Associates now operate out of several thousand square feet of modern industrial workspace in Buckingham, giving the company a dynamic platform to develop and grow, while maintaining the very same family value and production advertised upon which the company was built. Maintaining this vertical have helped shape the company and have made it the success that it is today. Unit 11 about making appointment. Example dialogue. Good morning. Are you Natasha? Yes, myself. I'm Novel from Cantica Skincare Company. Invite for an interview at our company on Monday at 7 o'clock. Can you come? Can I will come on time? Okay, wait for tomorrow. Please come before 7 in the morning. Well, thanks for the information. You're welcome. Unit 12 about present perfect. The formula is I plus have plus verb 3. He see it plus has plus verb T. Example: John has studied two foreign languages for come in the company. Number 2. This manager have had 4 questions for applicant in a company. Number 3. My sister has started a new job this week. Number 4. My friend and I have worked hard this month. Number 7. My sister has not started a new business. And the last, assistant manager has already submitted his job is to make letter for cooperation with another companies. Unit Unit 13 about request and over. Request. Example. John, hello, this is John Roger from Accelerator CO calling. May I speak to Mr. Mead? Hello, Mr. John, this is Mead Jane. Hello, I'd like to place order for a number of jetty chair unit. Currently, how many were you interested in ordering for purchase? Quite a few. Do you have many available in the warehouse? We keep a large supply in stock. There are also a showroom with quite a few on hand. It shouldn't be a problem. Well then, I'd like 8 units by the end of the month. Could I get an estimate before I place an order? Certainly, I have it for you by the end of the day. Thank you for your help. My pleasure, John. Offer. Example, what dialogue? What are you doing, Lena? I'm replying email from client and writing an article about my company. Wow, you are so busy, right? So busy, right? Yeah, I'm so stressful. So I do your half job? Really? You must be kidding me. I'm so serious, Lena. How? Thank you so much, Alex. I appreciate for appreciate your help. Most welcome, Lena.